Hello guys, my name is Steven. My metric number is 188133.
And my name is Isuvyase Binyanu Abidin. My metric number is 188216. Okay.
For the subject of flight mechanics, we are asked to do a reflection video for week 1 and week 2. And basically what we learn in week 1 and week 2 is about the basic structures of airplane. And how does airplane fly.
Okay. So Tiban, there are actually four main component of forces of an aeroplane.
Yep.
So the vertical forces is the lift and the weight, and the horizontal forces are?
The horizontal forces are actually the forward force is actually thrust, and the backward force is actually drag force.
Yes. Okay. So Tiban, actually there are many components. I mean, there are many parts of the airplane.
Yeah.
Okay. The main one is the fuselage.
Yes.
Okay.
Fuselage is the main the cylinder part in the middle of the airplane.
Okay.
And of course they need to have a wing.
Okay,
Fixed
and
wing.
it also need to have a power plant to produce the thrust.
Power plant is the engine.
Okay, and it also has the empennage, which consists of the vertical stabilizer,
Rudder,
the
and also the elevator.
Okay.
So if you see, there are three degree of freedom for an airplane.
yeah,
Which is the pitching, like this, and yaw,
and the roll. Okay, so for the pitching, okay, the main aircraft part which control the pitching is the elevator.
Yes.
And the main aircraft part which control the yaw
Is the rudder.
Yes, and the one controls the roll is the
Aileron.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Okay.
So then we actually how does aeroplane fly is actually based on two important theories by our scientists and scientists.
Okay.
First is the Newton third law.
Okay, which states that every force has equal and opposite reactions. Okay, this actually explains the thrust force produced by the aircraft. Okay, from the power plant. And
Yes.
for the lift is actually from the principle of the Bernoulli principle. So can you explain how the lift is produced?
Yeah, if you see Bernoulli principle, it actually says that when the velocity is high, the pressure is low.
Okay.
And the velocity is low, the pressure is high. So if
Okay.
you take the example of airfoil,
Okay.
the velocity on top of the airfoil is actually faster. So the pressure is lower.
Yeah.
In the below section of the airfoil, the velocity is lower, the pressure is higher. So
it
there's a
produce
pressure gradient.
Okay, and it produces a lift.
Yeah, it will produce a lift.
Okay, so Tiban, can we talk about the NACA nomenclature?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so actually NACA nomenclature, there are actually 4 to 6 digits.
Four,
after
five, six
4,
lah.
5, 6 digits. Okay, usually there are only 4 digits used in the basic aircraft structures.
Yes.
Okay, for the airfoil. Okay, the first digit states the maximum value of the mean chamber. Okay, and the second digit indicates the maximum chamber length from the leading edge.
And the third and fourth digit indicate the maximum section thickness in percentage of the chord.
Okay, Tiban, we also has to say that there are 4 types of flight. The first one is the gliding flight. Okay,
Yes.
as we know, gliding flight, and the second one is the third steady flight. And what are the third and fourth?
Straight flight and also the symmetric flight.
Okay. So Tiban, anything else you want to say?
That's all so far that we learned, because this is the basic fundamentals and principles of a flight. We haven't go deeper yet. If we go deeper, it will be a lengthy video.
So we just covered the basic of what we learned and
Yes.
The most fundamental ones.
Yes, you're right.
Okay. So that's all from us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.